Hello kids, it's your friendly underwater buddy, Sammy the Seahorse. Today, I'm going to let you in on some of the most amazing and funny secrets about us seahorses. Are you ready for a splash-tastic time? Let's dive in! First of all, let's talk about my shape. Have you noticed how I look like a horse? But wait! Don't go thinking I'm a cowboy or anything. I'm all sea, no saddle. This snazzy horse look helps me blend in with underwater plants. It's like having the ultimate camo outfit. Perfect for hide and seek, right? Now here's a mind-blowing fact. I'm one of the worst swimmers in the ocean. That's right. My cousin, the goldfish, probably laughs at me. My tiny fins move so fast, you can barely see them, but I still float around like a leaf on the water. But hey, who needs speed when you've got style? Am I right? Speaking of style, check out my tail. It's like a built-in super grabber. I can curl it around coral or seaweed to hold on tight when the ocean gets wavy. Imagine if you had a tail to hold your snacks. Convenient, isn't it? See you next time, my little ocean explorers. And don't forget, whenever you draw a seahorse, think of me, your favorite ocean buddy. Bye-bye.